Well, election headquarters, all four Republican candidates for Indiana Attorney General say they plan to pursue a lawsuit against the Affordable Care Act if they are elected. But Democratic candidate and former Evansville Mayor Jonathan Weinzapfel is strongly against that idea. Eyewitness News' Kayla Sullivan reports from our Indiana State House newsroom.
Has already made his stance on the Affordable Care Act clear by being one of the named state attorneys on the lawsuit against it. He released a statement saying, in part, as a country, we have the ability to create and sustain policies enabling all Americans to have access to insurance coverage that promotes affordability, choice, freedom, and quality health care, all while staying true to the Constitution. All three of his Republican opponents would also pursue the lawsuit.
You got to work, number one, to make sure that pre-existing conditions are protected. And we have to get rid of this idea that the government should be in charge of our health care. And I'll always be for those two things.
My job is not to make the law. My job is to represent my client. There's a legitimate constitutional question about this, which we're going to raise.
Republican AG candidate Nate Harder sent a statement saying, in part, "We cannot risk losing this hard-fought seat to a Democrat who will advance their partisan left-wing agenda and who has said he would immediately withdraw from this lawsuit." Democrat Jonathan Weinzapfel recognizes he's the only AG candidate in favor of the Affordable Care Act.
The only conclusion I can come is I'm the only one looking out for Hoosier families and what's in their best interest instead of fighting some ideological battle that's best left in Washington, D.C. I can't believe they'd even be considering doing this, especially in the middle of a global pandemic when healthcare is essential.
The Center for American Progress claims 564,000 Hoosiers would lose total coverage loss from an ACA repeal during the pandemic. It based this research off the Urban Institute. Republican candidate John Westerkamp says the Indiana AG should be solely focused on the constitutionality of the ACA.
Sounds like my opponent's more interested in acting as a legislator than acting as a lawyer.
It's incredibly important that Hoosiers have health care in these trying times.
From the Indiana State House newsroom, Kayla Sullivan, Eyewitness News.